So did you ever wonder how exactly Niagara Falls lights up its entire place in such beautiful rainbow colors? And where exactly do these get illuminated from? Yeah, me too. When I was sitting one day, a video of a spectacular fall came up and it got me thinking, where exactly does this light come from? Now, if you didn't know and were living under a rock, this is Niagara Falls, a must-see for anyone visiting North America. But at night, the falls are transferred into a breathtaking display of color that lights up the entire sky. To know the secret and actually see it for myself, I first had to go there. Forgot to close the door. Alright, so we gotta get there quick. Wait, hold on right there. But it didn't just go on any random day. Really? Just ruined my cinematic. I forgot to close the window. I constantly check the weather conditions for a foggy night. I actually found one. It's absolutely near New Year. Now, I'm going on a foggy day because light disperses and goes in all sorts of different directions when it comes in contact with these water particles that are present in the fog itself. And this phenomena will make seeing the light source much easier. So a really good example of what I'm trying to say can be seen right here. You have to sit down. Lights, curtains, and also this light. So now, if we see right here, when I put the light at the very bottom, you will see that it travels all over the entire cube. And you can see it goes right at the top as well. I'm so sorry if I'm disturbing you right there, Dora. So look at that. The same phenomena can be seen when we go to Niagara Falls as well. And that's dispersion. Alright, let's go.
A few moments later.
So when I went there and did some moving around, I saw it. The light rays were so visible. Now you might be like, Tej, what is so special about it? Like it's just lights pointed towards the falls itself. And yeah, they are strong lights. But even these lights have a reason for their placement here. And these lights themselves have a lot of history. Because firstly, on October 9th, 1907, the falls were illuminated during a visit by the Duke of Cornwall. And again on October 18th, 1999. And this happened just over and over. Now every time it changes on October, I wonder why. And many years passed and humans improved their technologies and even improved lights, aka LEDs. And so this light, with improvement to human inventions, was born again. So currently we use the 1958 version, which was installed for a whopping $153,000. Now tell me that was just a light. These energy efficient 4000 watt Osram XPO LEDs replace all the previous lights and are superior to them all. Now its position is placed very strategically so that it bounces off the light of each Niagara Falls wall, I guess. The coolest thing about this is they are customizable and programmable. And the most common and popular lighting that you'll get to see is a rainbow of lights. And since they're programmable, they can be used to match any festival it is. Now, wow. Niagara Falls is more than just nature now. It has a touch of humans to it. I'm never gonna see Niagara Falls the way I did before. And I hope you would too. But you know, we're kind of in the 21st century. And there are some new inventions and AI that goes around. And I made a video about it, which you can watch right here. If you have any questions, comment it down below.